Hello and welcome to my channel, Zippo Lion's Den. In this video I'm going to be showing you a unique Vietnam lighter. This lighter is a sterling silver case, custom made in Thailand during the Vietnam War. As you can see on the stamp, if I can get it closer here. Not focusing too well. Icon, sterling, Thailand. It's got beautiful embossing. And one of the things that makes this lighter special, at least to me, is that it was presented to an American soldier, to one Major W.K. Adams, presented by General, and I am not going to try to pronounce that name in hopes that I don't mispronounce it. Chief of Staff, Royal Thailand Army, October 1971, during the Vietnam War. A lot of people don't realize, but during the Vietnam War, a lot of the countries were involved in that area, not just Vietnam. Very nice engraving of an elephant symbol there, which is the Thailand Army symbol, one of them. It has the 1970s Zippo insert. I mean, it is a relatively thin sterling, but it is a beautiful lighter. And it is actually one of the favorites in my collection, just because of the history with the war and having it actually being a presented lighter from the Thailand Army to an American soldier. I just wish I knew more about who this American soldier was. If anybody out there might have any idea, please leave a comment. I would much appreciate it. It does have some wear, but again, it is an old lighter. It's going on 50 years old already. And it's relatively nice. I have the original box, velvet lined. And I hope you like this video. So if you do like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe. Forgot to show you, it's actually stamped with the silver maker's mark for a company that made it for Thailand. And I hope you have a good day. Thank you for